If you have ginger sitting in your kitchen right now, don't underestimate it. Because this simple root could be your key to a longer, healthier life. My 97-year-old grandmother swore by one special method she practiced every summer, and it kept her free from common illnesses for decades. It wasn't an expensive supplement or a complicated remedy, just steamed ginger. In this video, I'll reveal her exact secret and why doctors today are stunned by how effective this age-old ritual truly is. You'll learn how a few slices of steamed ginger can transform your health, boost your energy, and even slow the effects of aging. Stay with me till the end, because the final step in her recipe is what makes all the difference. First, take a few fresh pieces of ginger. Separate the knobs so that they're easier to clean. My grandmother always emphasized that ginger grows underground and collects a lot of dirt and bacteria, so cleaning it properly is the first secret to making it powerful. In a small basin, add the ginger, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 spoonful of baking soda. Pour enough water to fully cover it, and stir until everything dissolves. The salt acts as a natural disinfectant, while the baking soda loosens the soil and hidden residue clinging to the ginger's skin. After soaking for about 10 minutes, you'll notice the water turning cloudy. That's all the dirt and impurities leaving the ginger. Then take a small brush and gently scrub the surface until every knot and crevice is clean. Now, here's something most people don't know. Never peel the skin off ginger. My grandmother used to smile and say, "The skin cools you, the flesh warms you. Together they balance your body." Scientifically, this is true too. The outer layer of ginger contains compounds that help reduce internal heat, calm inflammation, and protect your gut. When you peel it, you lose many of these natural nutrients. So keep the skin on, just clean it thoroughly. After scrubbing, rinse the ginger in clean water 2 or 3 times to remove any remaining salt or soda. Then drain the water and spread the ginger on a clean plate to air dry. This step helps prevent bacteria from forming when you steam it later. Next comes the heart of the recipe, the steaming. Fill a pot or steamer with water and bring it to a boil. Once it starts steaming, lower the heat slightly and place the ginger on a rack inside. Steam for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how thick the ginger pieces are. While it steams, something magical happens. The spicy compounds in raw ginger, like gingerol, begin to change into shogaol, which has even stronger anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. You'll notice a soft, calming aroma filling your kitchen. That's your cue that it's working. The heat makes the ginger milder in taste but more potent in healing power. After steaming, remove the lid carefully. The steam will be hot and aromatic. Let the ginger cool slightly, then slice it thinly. When you look closely, you'll see that the texture has become soft and shiny. My grandmother used to say that this is when the ginger's energy wakes up. She would lay the slices out on a bamboo tray under the sun to dry naturally. Sunlight not only preserves the ginger but infuses it with warmth, extending its shelf life while intensifying the flavor. Once dried, the slices can be stored in a clean, dry glass jar. But she didn't stop there. She would often pickle them with a little rock sugar and vinegar, creating a sweet and sour tonic that we could enjoy throughout the summer. Just 2 slices every morning before breakfast were enough to stimulate appetite, ease bloating, and keep away colds. Modern science confirms what my grandmother knew intuitively. Steamed ginger improves digestion, boosts circulation, strengthens the immune system, and helps the body detox naturally. The gingerols and shogaols inside work as powerful antioxidants, protecting your cells from aging and damage. They also warm the stomach, reduce nausea, and help balance blood sugar. And because steaming softens the spice, even those who dislike raw ginger can enjoy its benefits comfortably. After drying, she let them cool completely before moving to the next step, storage. This was one of the most important stages because even a little moisture could spoil everything. She would sterilize a clean glass jar by rinsing it with boiling water and then drying it thoroughly, ensuring not a single drop of moisture remained. Then she'd begin to fill the jar layer by layer with the golden brown ginger slices. But what made her version unique was the addition of rock sugar and vinegar. For each layer of ginger, she would sprinkle a spoonful of rock sugar on top. Once the jar was full, she poured in the vinegar, sometimes balsamic vinegar for a deeper, sweeter flavor, and sometimes rice vinegar for a lighter, more refreshing taste. Both worked beautifully, but they offered very different experiences. The balsamic version produced a dark, caramelized aroma, rich and mellow, perfect for winter. The rice vinegar version, on the other hand, was crisp, slightly tart, and ideal for the summer months when the body needs something cooling and energizing. As the rock sugar dissolved in the vinegar, it created a natural sweet and sour syrup that blended with the ginger's natural oils. Over the next 10 days, the slices soaked up these flavors, becoming translucent and fragrant. My grandmother would shake the jar gently every day to help everything mix evenly. After about 10 days, she'd open the lid and say, "Now it's ready, nature's own medicine in a jar." The ginger slices would have a perfect balance of sweetness and tang, soft but not mushy, spicy yet soothing. These pickled ginger slices weren't just a treat, they were part of her daily routine. Every morning she'd eat 2 slices before breakfast with warm water. She said it woke up the stomach, improved digestion, and cleared out toxins that built up overnight. And honestly, it worked. She almost never suffered from colds, indigestion, or fatigue. If someone in the family had a sore throat or stomach upset, she'd give them a few slices of this ginger, and the symptoms would ease within hours. She also used the leftover vinegar syrup as a tonic. She would mix a tablespoon into a glass of warm water and drink it before meals. It tasted surprisingly pleasant, sweet, tangy, and slightly spicy, almost like a homemade herbal cola. Modern nutritionists now agree that ginger and vinegar are a powerful combination. Gingerol and shogaol fight inflammation and boost immunity, while vinegar supports gut health by promoting good bacteria and balancing stomach acid levels. Together, they strengthen the digestive system, improve metabolism, and help maintain a healthy blood sugar level. They even have mild detoxifying effects, helping the liver flush out waste. For older adults, this combination can be especially helpful for improving circulation, reducing joint stiffness, and keeping the immune system strong. My grandmother lived well into her late 90s, with clear skin, sharp memory, and strong bones, and she credited much of it to this simple habit of eating steamed and pickled ginger every day. "Nature rewards those who respect her," she often told me. And she was right. Sometimes the best medicine doesn't come in a bottle or pill. It comes from the kitchen, handed down through generations. So, if you have ginger sitting in your pantry, don't let it go to waste. Turn it into your own jar of healing just like my grandmother did. Just follow these simple steps. Clean, steam, dry, and preserve. Within a few days, you'll have your very own natural tonic that keeps you healthy, warm, and energized all year long. Try eating 2 slices in the morning, or mix a spoonful of the syrup into warm water and drink it like tea. You'll soon notice your digestion improving, your energy returning, and that annoying seasonal fatigue disappearing. If you enjoyed learning about my grandmother's longevity secret, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. Every home deserves to know that something as small as a slice of steamed ginger can make a world of difference. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, with another timeless secret for health and long life.